Welcome back to We Should Have Bought More of That Product when it was on sale, and we're really regretting our decision and we wish we would have bought more now. It's a long title to an episode, but that's what we're feeling today. Today's star is this record player. Let me explain to you why, okay? So, most of the time, whenever I'm buying products that are on a big sale, you have to be cautious, right? Because you don't know how much product they released on sale. You don't know what the price is going to rebound to, but we can make educated guesses based on seller tools that we have. Now, unfortunately, whenever I bought this, I was not using Seller Amp, and boy, I wish I would have been. Let me show you why. Obviously, you guys know all of this stuff gets posted in the Juiced app. This is just your friendly reminder that you guys can join up and become a user of the Juiced app for free. 14-day free trial linked down below in the description. It's the very first link. We make it easy for you. So join up and you guys can get leads just like this. And hopefully the people who suggest them, me, will be smart enough to tell you to buy a lot next time. But we're going to be ready next time because we have cool seller tools. But join up, use the Juiced app, and you guys will get all of these cool leads and you can be able to track them all inside the app. You can link your stores. It's great. You guys should sign up. So let's look at why this was potentially a big mistake. This is the Seller Amp page for this record player that I am currently struggling to hold in my hand, not because it's heavy, just because it's awkward. Don't say I'm weak, okay? It's just awkward, all right? So I bought this on sale from Woot for $19.99. You guys can see right now the lowest price is $43.80. But if we just, use our eyeballs, we can see there's only one of those in stock. The next price is $54.01, and there's 22 in stock. That's a decent amount. So let's use $54 flat as our sale price, and you guys are going to see exactly how much we could potentially make off of this right now because I haven't done the math yet. So we bought this for $19.99. Wow. In case you guys can't see that, let me zoom in for you just a little bit. Let me make it really big to make me feel bad. Look at that. ROI of 95.85%. You may be asking, how many of these did you buy? Maybe you still bought a decent amount, We bought 3. We bought 3 of these. Should have bought about 300 of these, okay? Obviously, the sale through volume you can't see, but it's pretty decent. Okay, it's pretty decent. Prices for these were hovering right around $43 was the low price, and then they went on sale, obviously, on Woot. They've gone down since then, but they're starting to plateau a little bit. You guys can see the curve right here. It's stopping a downward motion, and it's starting to level off a little bit. So, wow. We should have bought more of these. You know what? That's my life lesson for today. But next time, I'll be ready. And I will tell you guys how many to buy because we should have bought more of these. But you guys would never even know about this thing if you weren't using the Juiced app, okay? We have all of these different categories that we post stuff in. Okay, all of these different things that are popping up here every single day. I personally post at least 2 to 5 leads per day. And then we have a bunch of other amazing staff members posting stuff as well. We are constantly adding things. We have tutorial videos going up, so be sure to check all that out. But you guys won't know about any of this stuff if you're not using the app. So sign up for free, linked down below. I'm going to go pack up these 3 record players and send them off to Amazon. And then maybe cry a little bit about not buying more. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Don't be like me. Use the Juiced app, okay? Maybe this wouldn't have happened if I would have been using the app and the Seller Amp tool at the same time. Use the app. Trust me for leads moving forward. I got you guys. Don't worry. Hey, won't happen again, okay? See you in the next video. Phil's there from Juiced. Signing out. See you guys on the next one. It's not that bad, but it could have been better, right? We could have sold it for more. We'll see you on the next one. We'll do better next time, okay? Hey. Do better next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye, everybody.